I just look into the system and see how the system run and how the government how the system designed against poor people and all these things and injustice and all these things. And I know that everybody needs justice, equal rights and justice. And I mean,
yeah, man.
so it is unbalanced. So I just, that's how I get the inspiration to do a song like Justice. You know what I mean?
Rastafari.
The people's song. The people's song,
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, right now here in Africa, we've got a lot of young artists who are really coming up doing music as well. What advice do you have for the youth man them in Africa who really want to get out to the music scene?
Yes, man. My advice to the youth them is to be yourself and never give up. And no matter how hard it seems, never give up, perseverance, you know what I mean, determination, believe in yourself with confidence. Do this with confidence and be positive. And just whatever you're doing towards yourself and your upliftment, be positive on it because like law of attraction, whatever you send out to the universe, that's what come back to you. So just believe in yourself and be confident and confidentially and just keep it focused. If you fall down, get up, brush yourself off and move on. If it happens to be that it comes to your mind that, oh, I want to do this too hard, I'm not making it now. Fight that feeling and move on. And be strong and keep focused and believe in yourself.
Well said, my brother. But then giving you, let's say, 5 years from now or 5 to 10 years from now, how and where do we see Shocking Murray with his music career?
Well, 5, 10 years from now, I would like to see myself in a poor Africa, in Africa.